All right, let's talk about cheating at cards. Specifically, let's talk about stacking cards. I'd like to demonstrate it's possible to stack any two cards from any position in the deck in just two shuffles. And to do this, let's use a Texas Hold'em hand. It doesn't make a difference what the cards are. We'll use two random cards from the deck. In this case, happens to be King, Queen suited. I can tell you from experience that King, Queen suited can make you a lot of money and it can lose a lot of money. So let's do it. I will lose King, Queen suited back into two separate spots in the deck. And like I said, I will show you in just two shuffles. I can reposition those cards to any hand that I want. I will give the cards a shuffle like this, and because the camera is far away, I will hold the cards up like this so you can see it is a genuine mix of the cards from top to bottom. If that wasn't convincing enough, I will shuffle the cards flat on the table, or excuse me, spread the cards out flat on the table like this so that you can see that the cards do get pushed together all the way. Of course, after the cards are shuffled, they always have to be cut to keep things honest, so I've heard. And I'll deal all the cards off the top for a four-handed game of Texas Hold'em. Now, I stacked King, Queen suited to fall to the second position, and if I didn't miss, which I never do, King, Queen suited ended up right there. Now, let's track this out and see how the rest of this hand plays out. On the flop, of course, after you burn a card, on the flop we would have a, we're one card away from Broadway. It's a bit of a scary flop. Ace of hearts, eight of hearts, jack of hearts, but let's see what comes on the turn. Burn a card and turn, in this particular case, a pair of kings. That's not bad. The hand is improving pretty well. Of course, let's find out what's on the river. Burn a card, and on the river comes the ace of diamonds. So, not bad. We have a pair of kings, a pair of aces, and the queen does play in this particular case. But you remember when I said I could stack any two cards? I wasn't talking about these cards. I was talking about these cards, because those are pocket aces which will pair with the board to give four of kind.